Hi children, good morning. Today I am continuing the lesson. Let's play. Find out the games with the help of the pictures. Dear children, here some games are given and some pictures are given. You must find out and write them. Boxing. 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 Basketball. 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 Then which game is this? This is volleyball. 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 Badminton. 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 Then which game is this? This is cricket. 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 Then cycling. You all like to cycling, no? CYCLING. Cycling. Football. 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 Then children, hockey. Hockey is our national game also. HOCKEY. Hockey. Chess. CHESS. By playing chess, we can improve our memory power. Golf. 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 Then last game is tennis. 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 Match the games with the players. Children, let us match the games with their players. First one is hockey. Arjun Halappa plays hockey. Hockey is our national game. He is one of our best hockey player. Cricket. Rahul Dravid plays cricket. Rahul Dravid is the one of our best cricketer. Football. Maradona plays football. Children, he is one of our best football player. Running race. PT Usha is a athlete. She participates in running race. She is our golden girl. Tennis. Sania Mirza plays tennis. She is an Indian woman. She is a best tennis player. Boxing. Mary Kom is a boxer. She participates in boxing. Chess. Vishwanath Anand plays chess. Vishwanath Anand is a grandmaster of chess. Dear children, they are the best player in India. Take them as an inspiration and participate in the games or sports. Read the words given in the box. Write the name of the sports or game below each picture. Badminton. Football. Chess. Tennis. Volleyball. Basketball. Hockey. Athletics. Badminton. Swimming. No. I follow the rules of the game. Yes, we must follow the rules of the game. I always win. No, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. I hate others if I lose the games. No, we must not do that. I respect the umpire's decision. Yes, we must respect the umpire's decision. I enjoy playing games. Yes, all will enjoy playing games. What will you say when someone wins a game? Congratulations, well done. You must congrats them. You must say congratulations, well done. Someone loses a game. If someone loses a game, you must say you tried your best. Better luck next time. Listen to the dialogue. Take the role of Aditi and Vishwa. Practice the dialogue. Aditi. Hi Vishwa. Are you watching TV? Vishwa. Hey, come. Let's watch a cartoon show. Aditi. No, I want to play. Will you come and play with me? Vishwa. Okay, but I want to play a new game. Aditi. Come on, we will play shuttle badminton today. Vishwa. That's wonderful. Teach me how to play it. Aditi. Sure, I will. This is a conversation between Aditi and Vishwa. Aditi and Vishwa finally decided to play the shuttle badminton. Let us put tick mark to their belongings group. Children, we can classify the games into indoor and outdoor. The games that are played inside a building are called indoor games. The games that are played in an open field are called outdoor games. Boxing, indoor game. Badminton, outdoor game. Chess, indoor game. Cricket, outdoor game. Carom, indoor game. Football, outdoor game. Hockey, outdoor game. Tennis is also an outdoor game. Did you enjoy, children, by classifying games into indoor and outdoor? Write the name of the game in the circle. Use the clue given. Children, you must use the clue and find out the game. Ball, stumps, bat. Using this, we can play cricket. Net, stick, ball. Using this, we can play hockey. Racket, net, ball. Using this, we can play tennis. Board, coins, strikers. Using this, we can play carom. What will you say when someone wins a game? Congratulations, well done. You must congrats them. You must say congratulations, well done. Someone loses a game. If someone loses a game, you must say you tried your best. Better luck next time. Fill in the blanks and complete the sentence. One is done for you. Fly a kite. Paint the pictures. Watch the TV. Make a sandcastle. Listen to music. Ride the horse. Read a book. Play the guitar. Thank you, children.